Hello, my name is Bangraditraj. I am student of Brisson Academy, batch 21. Today I am going to talk about an essential aspect of human anatomy that plays a crucial role in protecting our internal organs and allowing them to function properly. The body cavities. The body cavities are spaces within the body that house and protect vital organs. Understanding the different activities of body cavities, their functions, and their help to us in appropriate how the body are organized and how they work to keep us healthy. The human body has several body cavities, which can be broadly divided into two main types or two main groups: the dorsal and posterior body cavity and the ventral body cavity. This cavity not only provide protection to our organs but also allow them to expand, contract, and move as is necessary. The dorsal cavity is located along the back of the body and is subdivided into two main parts: the cranial cavity and the spinal vertebral cavity. The cranial cavity is the space within the skull that houses the brain, and the brain being control center of the body required a well protected environment, and the cranial cavity provides this by casing the brain in the hard bony skull. The protection is crucial as the brain is responsible for all of our body functions, from the basic survival processes like breathing to complex activities like thinking and memory. Then, just below the cranial cavity, it's a spinal cavity which runs along the length of the spinal column. The spinal cavity houses the spinal cord as a vital part of the central nervous system. The spinal cord transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body, controlling movement, is sensation, and reflexes like the brain and the spinal cord is protected by the bones of the vertebral column, which shield in the form of injury. Then, on the other hand, the ventral cavity is located at the front of the body and is larger than the dorsal cavity. It is divided into thoracic cage and or thoracic cavity and abdominopelvic cavity, which are separated by the muscular sheath called as diaphragm. The thoracic cavity located in the chest houses the heart and lungs, as well as structure like esophagus, trachea, and the trachea. The heart pumps the blood throughout the body, is enclosed in the protective sac called as pericardium, while the lungs responsible for breathing are encased in the pleural cavity. The ribcage provides additional protection to our organs in the thoracic cavity by forming a strong bony barrier uh, against external forces. Below the diaphragm lies the abdominopelvic cavity, which is further divided into the abdominal cavity and the pelvic cavity. The abdominal cavity contains many of the digestive organs, including the stomach, liver, pancreas, intestines, and kidneys. These organs are involved in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and filtering waste product from the blood. The abdominal cavity is lined up with a membrane called as peritoneum, which provides support to the organs and allows them to move smoothly against one another during the digestion. Then, uh, the pelvis cavity, located beneath the abdominal cavity, contains the urinary bladder, some reproductive organs, and the rectum. This cavity plays a crucial role in the excretion of the waste product and in reproduction. The bony of the pelvis provides structural support and protective to the organs in the pelvic cavity, ensuring that they remain in place and are shielded from harm. Then, in addition of this, major cavities are also smaller cavities in the body, such as oral cavity, mouth, nasal cavity, nose, and orbital cavities, eye socket, each serving a specific function. related to the senses and communication. Thank you.